If you want to make perfect roast potatoes, the one thing you're going to need is this: a really good, very solid oven roasting tray, because anything that buckles under high heat is useless. What we're going to do first of all is add 50 grams of fat to the tray. And the secret here is to match the fat to what you're serving. Beef dripping if you're serving beef, or goose fat if you're serving poultry. And if you're having roast pork, you could use lard or a pork fat, so the flavours are complementary. Now this just goes into the oven whilst it's preheating to 200 degrees gas mark 6. Here I've got 900 grams of Desiree potatoes, with the small ones left whole and any larger ones cut in half. These have been pre-steamed for 10 minutes and drained. This amount will serve 4 people. Now replace the lid and, using an oven glove to protect you, hold it on firmly and give the potatoes a really vigorous shake. I like to turn the pan upside down and give another little shake to the ones on top. Now for the important bit. Turn the hob onto a medium heat. Then the hot tray is taken from the oven and placed over direct heat, which keeps everything smoking hot. And this is why you need a really solid roasting tray. Add the potatoes to the hot fat as quickly as possible, using a long-handled spoon. Then take a fork and quickly turn them over. Now return the roasting tray to the oven on a high shelf and leave them, without doing anything else, for 50 minutes to 1 hour, or until they're golden brown. Perfect roast potatoes should be very crunchy, crisp on the outside and soft and fluffy within. So let's just have a peep and see. When you tap it, it should sound crisp. And then, when you cut it open, you can see here how soft and fluffy that is. Never cover them so they stay absolutely crisp, and serve them as soon as possible with just a sprinkling of salt.